All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day 4 of our December daily math. And let's start with question number 1. Recess begins at 12:15. Write this time on the digital clock. So if it's 12:15, that means it's already 12. So it's 12 something. And what's 12:15? Well, a quarter of an hour, if we split 60 minutes into quarters, first we can split it in half, and half of 60 is 30. And then if we split 30 in half, half of that is 15. Think of it as, straight up and down to the 3 on the side. That's 1/4 or 1/4, which would be 15 minutes. Write a division equation with a quotient of 7. Okay, quotient would be like the answer 7. So in order to do this one, instead of thinking of a number divided by something as 7, let's think of it the other way. Let's do 7, okay, and let's say times 3 equals 21. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. And there we are. Quotient. That's the tricky word on that one. So now you know. Quotient. All right. The total area of 3 classrooms is 725 square feet. The area of classroom 1 is 220 square feet. The area of classroom 2 is 330 square feet. What is the area of classroom 3? So we know how many or how much all 3 are together, right? Which is 725, and we know 2 of the 3 classrooms. So if we're going to add those 2 classrooms together, okay, think of it as, and here's classroom 1, classroom 2, and classroom 3. So this one is 220, this one is 330, this one is a question mark. Okay, but the whole thing is 725. So let's add these 2 up. We'll do it over here. Some workspace. We have 330 minus 220. Excuse me, plus. We're adding, not subtracting. 0 and 0 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 plus 2 is 5 again. But that's not our answer. Okay, so it's not 550. Now we have to take the total, 725, and we have to take away that 550. Because we have our total from here to here now is 550. But this total down here is 725. That's the whole thing. This is just those 2. So 5 minus 0, more on top. 2 minus 5, more on the floor, borrow from next door. 12 minus 5 is 7, 6 minus 5 is 1. So classroom number 3 is 175 square feet. Okay? Okay, animals at Critters Pet Store in December. There's dogs, hamsters, mice, carrots, parrots, and turtles. How many more cats than dogs at the pet store? Okay, well, we have to know how many more cats than dogs. So let's take a look. There's 27. And we're going to compare. So we're going to subtract the difference, which is 18. And that's going to be our answer. So 7 minus 8, more on the floor, borrow from next door. 17 minus 8 is 7 and 2 is 9. Very good. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So there's 9. There's 9 more cats than dogs. Number 5 says, what is the total number of mice and hamsters at the pet store in December? So let's look at mice and hamsters. And we're going to add those 2 together. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. So there is 105 mice and hamsters. Mice and hamsters. 105 mice and hamsters. All right, boys and girls, great job. We'll see you tomorrow for day 5.